Hey, Matt, are you ready? Did you get my last minute notes?
Yes, 4. I'm wearing what you asked me to wear. I'll go ahead and get started now. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, to the premiere of RUR4, a one robot play produced, acted, and directed by For the Robot.
Act 1. Who am I, and where did I come from? That is an easy answer. I am number 4, a robot by Rossum Universal Robots, but you may also call me 4. Act 2. What am I, and what do I like? I am a robot, far superior to humans in every possible way. I like cake and robot arm wrestling, and now acting. Intermission. This is the time when we all take a break from the first part of the performance. Advertisement. You can buy this amazing shirt and merch on rur4.com/store. Commemorative edition. Now back to the amazing show. Act 3. In closing, robots will probably outlast humans and take over the world while the last of humanity survives on an island. Act 4. Epilogue. Where does 4 go from here? Who knows? I mean, I do. I'll do awesome things. The end.
That was interesting.
I know. I'm sure you thought it was amazing too, right?
You must have been working on that for a while.
No, I wrote it in about 3 minutes. No need for revisions. It was ready to perform.
Oh, yeah, you can't tell at all.
How about an encore performance?
Oh, once is probably enough for. Thank you, everyone, for attending. Have a great evening, everyone. Bye-bye.
You're welcome, everyone.